precious ones. Today I'm gonna show you how I teach phonics to my 2-year-old cousin. Children learn best through songs. And that is the main reason why I introduced to her the Phonics Song. First step is sing it to her repeatedly. Through this, the child will be familiar with the tune and he or she will find it more fun to sing it. Colorful pictures are also interesting to children, and that's why I tried searching for Phonics Song chart online. I searched, I printed, and laminated the Phonics Song chart in order for it to last longer. And then, I attached the Phonics Song chart to a place where it is more convenient for us to learn. And since we are most of the time at the kitchen, I searched for a space in the kitchen and placed it there. I don't need to put much effort to get her attention to sing the song with me, because whenever she sees the chart, she would start singing. You noticed that I didn't allow her to learn through YouTube videos. Why? Because YouTube offers much distraction to children, and I don't want my cousin to get distracted when she's learning the song. Then we will be apple, ball, cat and dog, egg and fan, goat and hand, jam, kite and lamb. Octopus and puddles, quilt and rail, sun and tail, umbrella, vase. I'm nearly through, see my happy face. Wagon, box, yarn, say, do you see a fox? See him in the zoo. It was fun and now we're through. If we sing this well indeed, then it's time for us to read. Pam pararam pararam pam pam param. 1, 2, 3, go. When we learn these sounds, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be and dog, egg and fan, goat and hand, swarm, and and pull and I'm nearly through, see my happy face. Say, do you see it? See him in the zoo. It was fun and now we're through. If we sing this well indeed, then it's time for us to read. Pam pararam pararam pam pam param. Yay!
Bye.